In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom video filters, virtual frames, and effects. If you want to make your Zoom meetings look more polished, more fun, or just a little more personalized, Zoom has some built-in tools that are very easy to use. You can add stylish video filters, place your camera inside a frame, use face effects like hats or glasses, and even change or blur your background. Everything can be done directly from within a Zoom meeting. To get started, make sure you're already inside your Zoom meeting. Then look for the video icon on the meeting toolbar. Next to that icon, you'll see a small upward arrow. Click that arrow to open the video options menu. From there, select Choose Video Filter. As soon as you click it, the background and effects window will open, and this is where all of the visual customization options are located. First, take a look at the Video Filters tab. This is where you can change the appearance of your camera feed in a few different ways. You can choose a frame style, which places your live video inside a designed border or layout. This can be useful if you want your video to stand out a little more or match a certain mood. You can also add fun visual effects like hats, glasses, and other face effects. These are great for casual meetings, team activities, or just adding a bit of personality. To use any of these, simply click on the filter you want, and Zoom will apply it instantly so you can preview it right away. Next, move over to the Virtual Background tab. Here you have a few options for changing what appears behind you. If you want something simple and professional, you can choose Blur, which softens your real background while keeping the focus on you. Zoom also includes default virtual backgrounds that you can select with a single click. If you want something more custom, click the blue plus icon to upload your own image or video. That gives you the flexibility to use a branded background, a clean office image, or any visual that fits your meeting style. As you try these options, it's a good idea to check how everything looks on camera before continuing with your meeting. Some effects are playful, while others are more polished, so choose the one that best fits the setting. And that's it. That's how to use Zoom video filters, virtual frames, and effects to quickly customize your appearance during a meeting.